This film is copyrighted by Wolfie and Meerkat Productions. Do not copy this, as it is illegal. Thank you, and enjoy the movie. Hala, there you are! I demand you to be my friend.
Okay, Poseidon, but you must give me the most beautiful land creature in the world. It cannot, I repeat, it cannot be a sea creature.
Okay, I'll give you the most beautiful land animal that you have ever seen.
Okay, you promise.
I will take you to the beautiful land creature I promised you.
Okay.
Let's go.
This way?
Yes, this way.
Okay.
It's the only way.
And step.
Demeter, here's my gift to you.
Poseidon,
This is...
he's so beautiful. He's amazing. He's so beautiful. How'd you make him? You've only made monsters before. He's just so pretty. Good boy. He's a nice little guy. Poseidon, where are you going? Are you just gonna leave me? Really? I thought that was your gift to me. Poseidon!
We are young, we run free, stay up late, we don't sleep. Got our friends, got the night, we'll be alright.
Ha! There you are! I demand you to be my friend.
Okay, Poseidon, but you must give me a gift. It must